I see Invention Education as inclusive STEM. Young girls, people of color that are left out of much of the STEM ecosystem. We want to give them those skills and also gain the knowledge and cultural capital that they bring to invention that's been left out.
Through Invention Education, students are picking problems they care about, whether it's in their family or in their community, and solve those problems using the invention process.
When we started doing Invention Education in the classroom, there was a level of empathy involved that attracted different types of students. And in our program, we went from 7% female enrollment to 35%.
I always liked STEM and I always wanted to be good at it, but I didn't really have the outlet. Getting to work on this project, I realized that I can do what I put my mind to.
It's critical to start early to even that playing field and to give these students opportunities.
It's opening students' eyes to the possibility they actually have the ability to make the world a better place today.